Spotify account create how to create Spotify account. So if you want to create a Spotify account, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is to simply make sure to open your browser and you just have to go to spotify.com. Even if you're using the phone, I would recommend you open your browser. Once you go to spotify.com, on the top right you can see login button if you already have an account, but if not, we will just select this option that says sign up. Once you select the sign up button, we just have to enter our email address that we want to use. Now, aside from that, you can also sign up with Google, Facebook, or Apple ID depending on what is that you prefer. But if you want to use an independent email address, you can also do so right over here. And once done, you can just hit this next option right there. It will ask you to create a password. The password must contain at least one letter, one number or special character, and 10 characters, right? So just make sure to go ahead and you choose a password for yourself. And once done, just hit the next option and it will ask you to tell us about yourself. So you can enter a name that you can use, the date of birth, the month, as well as also the year. And once you have done that, you can select your gender and just hit the next button. And after that, agree to the terms and conditions, hit the sign up button, and you will be able to successfully create your Spotify account. Now, if you want, you can also subscribe or purchase the premium version of Spotify. And this way, you'll be able to purchase Spotify premium or get the Spotify account. Sorry. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.